Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Midwest Test Fishing. Today we are at this tiny creek in Ames, Iowa. We've got a rooster tail tied on, and we're gonna see if we can catch some smallmouth and see what other species of fish live in here. Seeing some tiny minnows, maybe a chub. Wonder if there's anything hanging out in this wood. Appears to be a bit shallow. Looks like there's a dead bluegill there. Interesting. Alright, out with the inline spinner, in with the Berkeley Gulp minnow. Oh, that's a fish. What have we got? Alright, tiny little smallmouth. Not bad. Toss him back. Hopefully we can get some that are more sizable. There we go. Another one. I think there's a lot. This is kind of a deep little hole. Not much bigger than the first one. We'll try in this bend. It's going to be deeper here. Let's go ahead and cross so I can see the bottom. Looks like maybe some people were swinging into the river. That would not be good at this level. There we go. It's a much better fish. Another smallie. I think he ripped off the gulp. Yeah. And the top of the mouth is just chilling by those rocks. Throw down another minnow. Oh yeah. Another one about the same size. Oh no, this is not a bass. Species number 2. Nice hardy bluegill right here. Pretty fish. There we go. There's another fish. Right off the rock. Bluegill's just staring at him. Nice. Species number 3. A big green sunfish. I mean, comparatively, like for the creek. Got a little sore on his fin. Oh, someone had commented that that's a sign of pollution, which I would not be surprised. Hopefully it does better. Nice. There we go. Another smallmouth, maybe? Oh, what is that? Oh, another green sunfish. Just a lot smaller. Barely hooked. Get that out of you, bud. Let it sink on down. Give it some twitches. Oh, hammered it. I think that's a bluegill. Yeah. Wow. If you have any creeks around you, this is your sign to go fish them. So much fun. So many different kinds of species. You get a light action pole like this one. This is that's medium, but it's a fast action. You know, you can whip the light line, you can whip the light lures really far. And because no one really fishes these, you know, they bite and fight just much harder. Oh yeah. That's another bluegill. I can tell that the bluegills, because they almost spiral when they're fighting, versus a bass. It's gonna jump up and try to shake. Let's keep going a little bit. There's some kids swimming down farther in the creek. I think we'll call this a day and come back in the morning. Not without making some casts. There we go. Ooh. I think this is a bass, is my guess. No. Sunfish? Yeah. Another healthy one. I'll have to come back with some catch and cook supplies. A knife, the breading oil. That's a nice fat one. Safe today. Back for day 2. Gonna make sure there's no homeless people under the bridge. Interesting graffiti. The Chaco's out. Get back at it with the Berkeley Gulp. Yesterday we started with the rooster tail inline spinner. It was okay, it was getting hits, but nothing was really committing to it, and then we just absolutely were hammering them with the minnow. So we are gonna start with that. Let's make a couple casts by these fallen trees. I think we were getting some bites here yesterday. It's pretty deep, kind of at this bend of the creek. Looks like a little bluegill, maybe. Let him go. There's something just at the base of that branch. There we go. Got it. Okay. Bigger bluegill this time. I just watched him pick it up. Oh, that was cool. Another bluegill. Seems to be the only thing active this morning. There we go. I think it's another bluegill though. Just the way it's spinning. Yep. This one's a lot darker though. Pretty fish. Yeah. Right by those rocks. Feeling green sunfish. That's what I'm guessing. Yep. Another toad. Pretty fat. Good eating size. Just chilling by those rocks. Picked it up as soon as it fell. Feisty bluegill. Speedy. It's hard to think that there aren't more fish in this area, because I think that this would be a perfect little deep hole. Try to get closer to those rocks. There's something. Another bass. What is that? Yep. Another micro smallmouth. Oh yeah. They're right up hugged against those rocks. That's okay. That's a better one. Actually putting up a bit of a fight. Species number 4. Nice little white crappie. Little creek crappie. Cool catch. There we go. Another fish. Is this another crappie? Yeah. Man, this one's a lot bigger. Oh no. Yeah, usually crappie aren't alone. If you can find one, there's usually some more. There's another one. Yeah. There's just a small little group of them. These guys are pale though. Get that out of you. Nice tiny fish. There we go. There's a fish in there. Bluegill. There's something decently sized in here. Not that. tiny micro smallmouth are just insanely aggressive. Another gill, maybe? Green sunfish. Alright. Ugh. Came back and munched it. No, oh, are you kidding me? That was the last gulp minnow. Oh, nuts. I have some of these big bite bait tubes, which I guess we'll have to try. If that doesn't work, we'll go back to the inline spinner that we started with yesterday. I don't know, we'll see if this will fool anything. It's too bright. That's what it has. Oh, I guess not. Disregard everything I said. I didn't know what they were going to think of it since it wasn't minnow color. Guys, we've got species number 5. Nice largemouth bass. Healthy too. Feeding off minnows. Just off by those rocks there. Figured there had to be something in this hole. Smallmouth number 100 or something like that.